Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a class that we have coming up to Fair Texas Title McKinney. And this is going to be on September 21st. We're going to do a lunch and learn from 12 to 2. And this is the blueprint to business building. Perfect timing for this 2-hour CE certified course. Not only do you come in and start to set up your 1-3-5, which is your 1 goal, 3 priorities, 5 action steps for your annual plan in 2023, now is a great time to start to create a 1-3-5 for the shift that our industry is having at this very given moment. A lot of agents are uncertain. They've never been through a shift like this before. The blueprint to business building is going to show you exactly how to navigate this storm that has come to our industry. It can be used for your business, your personal life, key relationships, health, finances, so much more. This is a class you do not want to miss. So RSVP for this session, it's $20, and that includes the lunch. And I will see you guys at Fair Texas Title McKinney on September 21st. Thanks.